This is Chris with Skayl. In this video, we're going to take a look at the ability to share models between users in PHENOM. So starting here from our dashboard, we will click on the Manage tab and enter the Manage mode of PHENOM. When we get to this page, it starts off here in our Project Manager, and you see that we have three basic projects loaded: PHENOM Demo, Demo Project, and Aircraft Engine Piston. Well, I want to work on Aircraft Engine Piston with some other team members, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to that model. Now that I'm there, I can see the other users who currently have access to this model with me. Now, in general, this list will be the same for all of your models because in PHENOM we manage groups of users so that you don't see the work that other users have and you don't see who other users in the system are. So PHENOM Demo shares an account with other user and yet another user. And these are the only users that we are able to share this model with. There are other modes that we can share. Right now, there are no other permissions granted to these other users. If we want to share read access to this model, we can change the permission to read and hit save. At this point, other user now has the ability to read the content in Aircraft Engine Piston project, and they can even include this content in their model, but they won't be able to write any new content to this project. We can provide that ability by giving them the write permission. So simply change their permission to write and click save. Now in this case, other user has the ability to write to the model, but yet another user still has no capability. So let's fix that. We'll give yet another user read capability. So while other user is able to write content to the model, yet another user is not. And finally, maybe we want to allow other user full admin capabilities of the model. This will let other user share permissions with other users and adjust those permissions up and down as necessary. In general, with admin permissions, other user can do all of the things to the model that we as PHENOM Demo can do. You can also revoke permissions from users. Keep in mind, this could have strange interactions with your users if they have already included the models in their projects. In fact, I would expect PHENOM to tell you that you are unable to fully revoke permissions because they've already included the content. It may prevent further writing to the models, but it should not fully revoke all access if they've already included the model. Doing so could possibly invalidate content they already have, and that would break our intention of always keeping models valid. Now, once a model has been shared, all the user has to do is return to this Project Manager tab, and the list of projects will be shown underneath their Project Manager. They can switch to it and start using the model just like we did here. In the next video, we'll take a look at the capabilities of the navigation mode in PHENOM.